Hi, Autry. My name is Anita Foster. I'm the Library Media Specialist for Autry Middle School in Kennesaw, Georgia. And today is Tech Tip Tuesday. Yay! All right, so today I am showing you an app that I have found. It is in the Microsoft family. It was a free download for me. I believe it would be for you as well. It is called Microsoft To Do. I've put it on my phone, so let's see how it works. I'm going to show you real quick how to use Microsoft To Do. It is an app that you download onto your device, onto your phone, and it's down here. I have a Microsoft folder on my phone, and I'm just going to click on To Do. And it has some, it's a checklist software, so I can go into my day and create different, I just downloaded it, so I would just click Add Task, and put in whatever my task is in here that is a daily task that I need to do. I'm going to go back to my list. I have important ones, so that's things that I know I've got to do. You know, mom gives me a chore, dad gives me a chore, grandma gives me a chore. Something I need to get done by a certain amount of time, I would put important. Planned is things that you have planned, so that's looking forward. And then tasks. But here's the thing that I like. I can create a new list. So I'm going to create a new list. And I'm going to call it Books to Read. And this is a great way of staying organized on all the different things that you want to do. So then you can put a book that you want to read on here. For example, maybe I want to read drama. And then I just click off of it. Click done, and it adds it to my list. Now when I go to read drama, all I have to do is when I'm done with it, I just click that and it moves it to completed, and I'm done. If I'm finished with a list of things that I've added and I don't want to keep that list anymore, then I just click on the three ellipticals up here. That's the three dots on the right hand side, and I can delete my list, I can print my list, I can change the theme or the background behind my list. That's pretty cool. I'm just going to click done. Oh, I could do a photo. Let me do that again. Change the theme. I didn't see this up here at the top. At first, a photo. So you know Miss Foster likes to read at the beach, so maybe I'll do that one. And then I can also, by clicking on the elliptical up here, I can sort the list, I can edit the list, and I can rename the list. So that's pretty cool. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed this Tech Tip Tuesday and that you download To Do by Microsoft. I think it's a great way to do it. Now, when I signed in at first, I signed in with my Cobb County email address. So I don't know, it did not charge me anything, so it's free, I believe. But you can sign in as your Cobb County, or you can do it as your own. All right, Autry, I hope you have a great day.